Okay, so we finished up entering in the delivery for Great Restaurant, right? We already updated Albert's commissions, excuse me. We updated the inventory. Okay, so here is what's next. Okay. We need to pay the furniture store for invoice number 69 for the counter and shelves, and also the invoice 71 for the desk set. And we want to write it all on one check. Okay? So we got to pay furniture store. Okay? Invoice number 69 and invoice number 71. And we're going to pay it with all one check.
Would we use accounts payable?
Good, right? We're paying for what we owe. Okay. Okay. And how are we paying them?
With a check?
Right, we're gonna write them a check. Okay. What was that? Where do I need? What do I need to do?
The chart of account numbers for both. The accounts payable is 20,000 and the checking is 10,100.
Okay.
If you go to purchase orders, the amounts are in there, plus any invoices,
Okay.
just to look at it.
Okay. Okay. So we can go to the purchase orders to look for it, but where should we actually go?
The subsidiaries.
The subsidiary ledger. So in this case, that's going to tell me exactly how much I owe for a particular person. So in this case, if I go to vendors and I look up furniture store. No, I think that was it. Furniture store. Invoice number 69. I owe $1,770. Invoice number 71. I owe $658.37. So in this case, how much am I going to make a payment for? And look, they're both due today, June 22nd. So how much am I going to be writing this check out for?
2,428.67.
Okay, let's see. Payment. $2,428.60. 7 cents. So 24.2867. All right. 24.2867. Okay. Now that I know how much I am going to pay for invoice 69 and 71,
You can go to the check register.
you can go to the check register. Okay. For 242867. Furniture store. So I don't believe we have them in here. Okay. Good. So what check number did we use?
1522.
1522. So let's wrap up this journal entry. Payment to who? Furniture store. Payment for what? Invoice number 69 and 71. What else?
The check 1522.
We gotta include the check number 1522. Right? Good.
Next, you'll go to the ledger.
Ledger. Okay. Accounts payable first. Payment. Invoice number 69 and 71. Okay. So how much should you have left?
I got 10,820.94.
Good. Okay. Checking.
1522.
For 242867. How much money should you have left in your bank account?
$514.48.
We only have $514.48 left in our bank account. Okay, so we're kind of running low. We better make some sales to collect some money here. Okay. All right, what's next?
The subledger?
Yes, we got to go to a subsidiary ledger to update because right now it says that we owe 6,000 and because I already typed in the number. But earlier, if I didn't have this, it would have been way more. So in this case, let's finish off the subsidiary ledger because we made a payment.
The check number?
Yeah, that'd be good. Check number 1522. This is for both invoice number 69 and 71. Right? And we made the payment of $2,428.67. So now you only have the tables and chairs owing at $6,605.08 left to pay. And guess what? It's right around the corner. It's due on June 23rd. Okay? All right? Let's see what's next. So in this case, we got to do a couple purchase orders here. Purchase order. Okay, we got to order some more coffee, this time at $375. And then we're going to make another purchase order for 80 more ceramic coffee mugs.
Put it in your purchase orders.
Put it in your purchase orders. So in this case, POs. Today is the 22nd. We're doing 2 purchase orders, right? 310. Okay, purchase order 310 is to who? Then the second one for our purchase order number 311 is to All Things Ceramics for 80 coffee mugs at a total of $198.40. Okay. Albert also submits another order for Katie's Coffee Corner. Okay.
We go to his commissions.
Okay, yes, we gotta update his commissions for the sales order. Okay. Who is he putting in the order for? Katie, for how much? 26543. 26543. Okay. Then, same day, we end up purchasing some more supplies at Restaurant Supplies. Okay. What is it?
Medium coffee cups.
Medium coffee cups. Okay.
11,760 for the medium coffee cup. The account number.
Okay, got it. 11,760 and 11,765.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Visa payable.
Visa payable. Good.
It's 22,000.
Good. So we paid using the business credit card, Visa payable. Okay.
It'd be 100 for the medium coffee cups and 150 for the large.
Okay, what about the tax?
For the medium coffee cups,
How much?
108.25.
Correct. In this case, we're going to split the tax by prorating this, right? If you actually recall, we already did the calculations for this already. But in this case, right, if you are redoing this, it's going to be 100 times 8.25%, which gives you $8.25. So therefore, 108.25. And if you know one side, you can just simply do this, where if you solve for one, you can just subtract the other, so you don't have to calculate extra tax. So in this case, it should be 162.38. And it should be your remaining balance for the sales tax distribution. Okay, so there we go for 270.63.
This one doesn't have a receipt number, but it would be restaurant supplies.
Correct, right? It'd just be restaurant supplies. We're going to end up using the cups anyway, so no need to return anything. Restaurant supplies. Okay. And you can say how many cups you purchased. So in this case, okay. What's next?
General ledger.
The general ledger. So in this case, we got to update our business supplies. Because we just bought 2,000 medium coffee cups. Okay. At 5 cents each, plus 8.25% tax, which is $8.25. So that should give you 108.25. So in this case, what is my grand total here?
I got 405.95.
405. Did you add the entire amount in there?
Yeah, I did.
Okay. Okay, so it should be 270.62. Okay. We got to fill in our large cups too, right? We bought the same thing, 2,000 at 7.5 cents plus 8.25% tax, which gave us a total of $12.38, which resulted in 162.38. So in this case, what is my grand total amount here? Okay, 405.95. Got We purchased 4,000 coffee cups. Okay. For a total of 1348.71. Good. So what's next?
Subsidiary.
Subsidiary ledger. We're going to go to restaurant supply, excuse me. Right, we bought 2,000 medium coffee cups at 108.25 and then plus 2,000 large coffee cups for 162.38, and we paid with the Visa credit card. Oh, I guess we're supposed to have a receipt number. Okay, it's okay. Next one, General Journal 11, and what happened here?
Invoice amount
Invoice amount of,
270.63.
good, and paid using a Visa payable, Visa credit card, so we don't owe Restaurant Supplies anything for this particular transaction. All right. Let's go ahead and do our grand opening sales, and then we'll stop here and finish up the next day tomorrow. Okay. So here we have a whole bunch of grand opening store sales. We sold all this coffee cups. Okay. Here's the tax, and it's discounted. So this is how much cash that we received. So in this case, I'm going to tell you right now, you definitely don't have enough space in your journal to journalize this transaction. So what I'm going to have you guys do is you guys are going to start on the next page. Okay? If you guys do what I do, go ahead and take the time real quick to draw that shape into the line into your journal. Okay? From the date all the way to the very bottom credit. Okay? Just so that no one can squeeze in a transaction when you protect the sheets afterwards. Okay? So, here we are. in-store sales on the 22nd of June. So what are you going to journalize?
Checking, sales discount, all the, everything there.
Yep. Take a shortcut. I'm going to copy to save some time from typing everything in or writing everything in here. I'm just going to copy and paste it because this is the exact transaction that I need. Okay. And all the descriptions are also the same as well. Okay. So, how much cash? Eighteen 7875. Discount. Medium regular coffee.
$9.64.
46964.
$535.21.
Okay. Medium supreme coffee. 56772. Large supreme coffee. 526.99. Coffee mugs 69.90 and sales tax 143.18. Rule of thumb here, just to ensure that you didn't make any typos. Okay, I got 2, 3, 12, 64 on the left, 2, 3, 12, 64 on the right. Awesome. Okay. Okay. Checking. Checking.
In-store sales for 1878 and 75.
For 1878.75. Okay, so how much cash did you have in your checking account?
$23.93.23.
Good. 23.93.23.
Oh, it's journal 12.
Oh yeah, thank you. Journal 12. Okay, so sales. Oh, right here, sales discount. Oh, okay, so journal 12 for how much? 4,389 to give you a grand total of how much? 14,24,34. 14,24,37. So sales for medium regular coffee. How many cups did we sell?
It was for 236.
236. For how much? So what's my ending balance?
$1309.42.
1309.42. Good. What about the large regular cups?
$179.
179. For how much?
$1805.96.
1805, 96. Excellent. What about the medium supreme coffees?
Do 28 cups.
228. Okay.
172.
So how much did you have left? I mean, what's your grand total sales?
1660, 83.
Excellent. Okay. I guess not last, but how many large supreme cups did you sell?
526.99.
So total sales is
0.1.
2059.1 or 10 cents. Okay. We got ceramic coffee mugs. How many did we sell there?
10.
We sold 10 for 69.90. So my total sales here is
536.09.
good. Last but not least, we got some sales tax. Okay. For $143.18. So what is your grand total that you've collected for sales tax? $47,004. Good. Okay. All right, sales tax is done. What else do you need to do? Go ahead and deposit the money first, and then we'll talk about the inventory. Okay, so in this case, how much money did you deposit? I want you to deposit everything. Okay, so that means now you actually have that money in your actual checking account. So in this case, right, I used 38 pounds of regular coffee and I used 34 and a half pounds of supreme coffee. So let's go ahead and update our inventory. So I use 38 and 34 and a half. Okay. Okay, so if we use 38 pounds, oh, I guess it figured it out for me. What's my total cost of goods sold for using 38 pounds at $1.61532? So, okay. 61.38. So let's update my inventory since I used 38 pounds.
I think it was 35.25, wasn't it, for the coffee?
35.25. What do you mean?
Oh, never mind. I'm looking at the wrong one.
Okay, no worries. This is yeah, okay, so in this case we used 38 pounds. So we used 38 pounds here. Okay. So that means we have 111 and a half pounds left. Okay. What's my new total if I use up $61.38?
11.
Yep, 180.11, which Excel has figured it out that this is what I'm calculating, so it has increased by 10,000th of a penny. Not even. What is 100,000th of a penny? Okay. Good. So then, let's see. How many pounds of the Supreme coffee did I use? $34 and a half. So let's take a look at my inventory. What happened here? I don't have enough, right? I have 32.5. That means I need to tap into my third batch of inventory. So I need to create a calculation here. I need to add up 2 batches of inventory. Okay? To equal up to 34 and a half pounds. So in this case, I have 32 and a half, okay? Which we know to be at $1.828, which we know to be $59.41. So in that case, we already know what we already know. Okay? And therefore, I can eliminate this. But how many more pounds do I need to sell to get to 34 and a half? We need 2 more, or use. Okay? And in this case, I only have 1 batch of inventory left. What is its cost per item?
$184.
$1.84. So in this case, 2 times $1.84 is going to give me
$3.68.
$3.68. And if you add these two numbers up together, we get a total of $63.09. So let me go ahead and adjust the inventory up here because I no longer have 125. I have 123. Okay, so you should be left with 226.32. Okay. So, cost of goods sold for my regular was 61.38. My Supreme is 63.09. Okay. All we have left to do now is just update my ledgers. Okay, so in this case, starting with the cost of goods sold. Okay.
Sold 38.
Okay. In this case, we used 38 pounds. Okay. For 61.38. So in this case, what's my ending balance in my cost of goods sold? $424.64. What about my Supreme coffee?
$34.5.
34.5 pounds. For so what's my ending balance? $457.18. Good. Okay. Last but not least, I need to update my inventory. Okay. Regular coffee. $61.38. So in this case, how much inventory should I have left in my regular coffee?
$11.
180.11, which matches our inventory on hand, right? We do have 180.11. Okay. Last but not least, your Supreme coffee. Use 34.5 pounds for 63.09. So what should my ending inventory be for my Supreme coffee? $266.32. And does that match my inventory worksheet? Yes, it does. I hit the wrong one. My inventory worksheet for Supreme coffee. Yes, I am at $226.32. Right? All right, good job, guys. Okay, so tomorrow we're going to go ahead and pick up and start the next day. All right. If you don't have any other extra questions, you guys are free to go. Enjoy the rest of your evening.